Understanding recovery differences.
Recovery is essential for making progress in avoiding injuries, but men and women can have different recovery needs. Biological factors like hormones, muscle mass, and metabolism all play a role. Recognizing these differences helps tailor rest, nutrition, and training adjustments so everyone can bounce back stronger and safer after workouts.
Hormones and muscle repair.
Men typically have higher testosterone levels, which can aid in faster muscle repair and growth. Women, on the other hand, are influenced by estrogen, which may help reduce inflammation, but can sometimes lead to slower muscle recovery. Understanding how hormones impact recovery empowers both men and women to fine-tune rest periods and strategies for optimal results.
Training intensity and recovery time.
Men often train with higher absolute loads, which can increase muscle soreness and require longer recovery. Women may experience less muscle damage at the same relative intensity, sometimes allowing for shorter rest intervals. Listening to individual responses, such as soreness and fatigue, remains key for adjusting rest, regardless of gender.
Nutrition for recovery.
Adequate protein supports muscle repair for both men and women, but women may benefit from extra attention to iron and calcium, especially if they are very active. Hydration and carbohydrate intake are important for everyone. Adjusting portion sizes and timing based on body size, training volume, and energy needs will optimize the recovery process.
Best practices for injury prevention.
Both men and women should prioritize quality sleep, regular stretching, and mobility work to support recovery. Women may be at higher risk for certain injuries, such as ACL tears, so strengthening stabilizing muscles is especially important. For all, consistent rest days, attentive self-care, and adapting routines to personal needs ensure safer, more sustainable progress.